Alright, what's up guys, it's Khatif on the DesireToTRADE. I just published a blog post on DesireToTRADE.com and I wanted to talk about it a little bit because there's a few parts to it. It's basically a full blueprint and it really covers a lot of stuff. So I want to summarize it in this video. If you want to see the whole article, check out the blog, check out DesireToTRADE.com, you'll see the article. It's called the Successful Forex Trader Blueprint. But basically what I want to talk about are the steps that you need to go through if you want to trade successfully. Most people are gonna start trading. They're gonna go to like the end completely. They're gonna put all in, like go all in to trade, like all their savings, their account, and start to trade. And then they lose a lot of it, right? So I really think that the way you start to trade, and there's 4 parts to it, but I think that the way you start to trade is gonna really determine how you're progressing. Okay, if you start to trade with the idea that you need to find a perfect strategy, you'll keep searching for it forever. But if you start with the idea that trading is like something you have to grow into, you have to like keep growing into, then it's going to be a lot different. Because then you're going to focus more on learning and on trying new stuff and discovering. So that's going to change a lot. But the 4 steps basically in this blueprint are about first of all getting started, then having a plan, then it's about trading that plan, and lastly it's about scaling up. People make so many mistakes in all those parts. Okay, the biggest mistake I see are people who, well, first of all go all in, like put all their savings one shot, or they don't plan, or when it comes to trade the plan live, they don't evaluate what they're doing. And that's the basic like mistake people make in trading. The way it works is that when you start to trade, I recommend you just check out the platform. Just look at your platform, try to put some trades. Try to see if you're comfortable with it. Then once you've done that, then you go into making a plan. Now there's a lot of resources online, especially on TradingView, where you can see all the indicators, what they're doing. Okay, so it's really easy to learn. There's no problem. And you can even take a course if you need to, like the academy, but that's just the part. But anyway, like, it's super easy to learn. You just have to look online. I've put a bunch of links in the article. But you can just search for the indicators, try to see what they mean, why they exist, what they provide you, and then you make a plan with that. Okay, understand that there's only 3 types of trades: pullbacks, reversal, or breakouts. Okay, breakdown, same thing. But the idea is that you want to make a strategy for, I would say, at least one of them, and then you put an indicator with it. I also share the process in the article, how to trade. Okay, it's not I put the R's on my chart and I buy whenever it's oversold, right? It's not how it works. It's a process. It's all in the article, but it's basically first of all structure, then price action, then the indicator. Okay, or you can reverse price action indicator. It doesn't matter. But the point is, you don't put an indicator on your chart and just trade with it. Okay, you want to have the process, and that's all in the article. You should definitely check that out. But then the next part is going to be to trade that plan. Okay, if you go all in, you're not trading a plan, you're just risking too much. But the thing is that you want to first trade your plan, then see how it does. Okay? You don't try to find a perfect plan before. You come up with a plan, trade it a little bit, see how it works. If you lose 5%, fine. If you break even, fine. If you make 10%, fine. There's no problem. But then you're gonna tweak your plan and make sure that this plan gets profitable. If your plan doesn't work at all, you can scratch it, start again. But you really want to have this measure of how your plan performs. Is it doing great or not? Because so many people are gonna be stuck in the planning phase. They're gonna plan, look for videos, look for everything they can find online. But when it comes time to trading the plan, they won't even do it because they want to have the perfect plan. But if you just jump into trading, even if it's a demo account, jump in trading, trade the plan, see how it does. If it does great, fine. If it does bad, fine. Just tweak it. Do whatever change you need to do to have this plan profitable. But then if you just take a step like that and evaluate your progress, it's going to be much easier for you to trade. It's not about finding the perfect thing. It's about getting something out there, trying it. Okay, it's a lot better to ship something, like ship a plan on the market, try it, see if it works. If not, reevaluate, tweak it, make sure it works. That's how you do it. And then the last part of this process is going to be to scale up. Okay, so I said it like so many times, people go all in, and that's not how you do it. If you want to make it correctly, you have to go step by step. And the way to do this is you're going to ask yourself, okay, I'm going to start with this amount of money. Now, what amount of money can I add to my account when I respect my rules? Okay, when things are going well, it's not about your P&L, but when I respect my rules, I'm going to add this amount to my account every week, let's say. And then you just go from there. If one week you don't respect your plan, then don't add the amount. Okay, that's just simple. But when you respect the rules, add the amount you said you're gonna add to your account, and then go from there. You're gonna see that it's going really quickly, right? When you add money to your account quickly, when you respect your rules. And then you're sure that you're not gonna screw up all your savings. As you go scaling up, you go step by step. Okay? I just see so many people going all in from the start, like $50,000 in the account, boom, and then they crash after. But it's not how you do it. You go scaling up. So that's basically the process. Check out the article on DesireToTRADE.com. It's all outlined. It took me probably 2 weeks to write this article, but it's really all details, and it's pretty long, but you're gonna get something from it. So check this out. Join the Facebook group if you want to. It's DesireToTRADE.com/group. You can join that for free. I'm interacting a lot with people there, and the goal is to add value. So check this out, and I'll see you in the next video.